Today we are discussing about deflection magnetometer. We know deflection magnetometer is a device used to measure the magnetic moment of a magnet. The deflection magnetometer consists of a large compass box placed at the center of a wooden bore 1 meter long. Here we see the we calculate the magnetic moment of magnet in tan B position. Tan B position, that is the deflection magnetometer, the device placed in north-south direction and the magnet placed perpendicular to the arm of scale. Then consider a magnet of magnetic moment M and length 12 be kept at a distance d from the center of compass box. Okay, here we calculate the magnetic field at the center of compass due to the north pole, that is B1 is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi into m by r square. From figure, r square is equal to L square plus D square by Pythagoras theorem. So mu 0 by 4 pi m by r square. Here m is pole strength, mu 0 by 4 pi absolute permeability, and r is the distance between center and the pole of magnet. Now we replace the value of r square by d square plus L square. Then B1 is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m by d square plus L square. The magnetic field at the center of compass box due to the south pole, that is B2 is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m by d square plus L square. From the two equations, we can see that the magnitude of B1 and B2 are same, and they are separated in direction by an angle of 2 theta. So the resultant field B is equal to root of B1 square plus B2 square plus 2B1 B2 cos 2 theta. Then which is equal to root of 2B1 square plus 2B1 square cos 2 theta. That is B is equal to root of 2B1 square into 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So we get B is equal to 2B1 cos theta. Then replace the value of B1, that is mu 0 by 4 pi m by d square plus L square. So B is equal to 2 into mu 0 by 4 pi m by d square plus L square into cos theta. From figure, cos theta is equal to L by R, the adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to L by d square plus L square whole raised to 1 by 2. Then B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi 2m L by d square plus L square into d square plus L square whole raised to 1 by 2. 2ml is equal to capital M. Capital M is the magnetic momentum. So B is equal to mu 0 by 4 pi m by d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2. From this, M is equal to 4 pi by mu 0 into d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2 into B. We know B is equal to BH tan theta, where BH is the horizontal component of Earth's field. So M, magnetic moment of the magnet, is equal to 4 pi by mu 0 into d square plus L square whole raised to 3 by 2 into BH tan theta. So this is the magnetic moment, the way which the magnetic moment of magnet in tan B position.